Today, we're talking about something pretty incredible, a messenger from a distant star. And the amazing part? This cosmic event is happening right now. So let's dive in and find out what's going on.
I mean, just think about that for a moment. An object that's traveled for millions, maybe even billions of years through the dark void between the stars, and it finally drifts into our own cosmic backyard.
Well, guess what? This isn't a what if. It's happening right now. This is a real thing, and astronomers are tracking it as we speak.
All right, so let's meet our visitor. Its name is Comet 3I/Atlas. And get this, it is only the third known interstellar object we have ever detected passing through our solar system. A truly rare guest.
So what does interstellar actually mean here? Well, it's pretty simple. This comet isn't from around here. It was born in another star system, got kicked out somehow, and has just been wandering through deep space ever since. It's basically a cosmic tourist on a one-way trip through our neighborhood.
Okay, so you're probably wondering, how in the world do you even spot something like this? It's tiny, it's moving incredibly fast, and it's coming from who knows where. Well, the story of how we found it is a fantastic piece of modern-day astronomical detective work.
And things move fast. Once it was officially spotted on July 1st, astronomers did some digging. They looked back at older telescope images and, yep, there it was. They'd actually captured it weeks earlier without even realizing what it was. And then, just 20 days later, they pointed the mighty Hubble Space Telescope at it, got a super detailed picture, and the real investigation kicked into overdrive.
You know, what's really cool is that the name itself tells you the whole story. The 3, that means it's only the third one of these we've ever confirmed. The I, that's the big one. It stands for interstellar. And Atlas is a shout-out to the telescope survey that actually found it. It's like a whole history lesson packed right into its name.
Okay, but how do we know? I mean, how can scientists be so certain it's not just another comet from our own solar system? Well, this is where the detective story really kicks off.
The biggest clue, the smoking gun really, is its path. See, our comets are basically on a leash, held by the sun's gravity. They loop around and around in these big oval-shaped orbits. But 3I/Atlas, it's on a completely different kind of path, a hyperbolic one. It's moving way too fast for our sun's gravity to grab it. It's just flying by, getting a little slingshot boost on its way out.
And when I say fast, I mean fast. When they first spotted it, this thing was blazing through space at 137,000 miles per hour. That is just mind-bogglingly fast. It's way beyond the escape velocity for our solar system, so there's just no way it started here.
Of course, anytime we talk about something flying through our solar system, there's the big question, is it dangerous? And the answer is a big, definite no. Don't worry. Its closest approach to Earth will still be 170 million miles away, so we're totally safe. We can all just sit back and enjoy the science.
So let's run through the vitals. What do we know about this thing? First off, it's an active comet. That's super important. It means as it gets warmed up by our sun, it's shedding gas and dust, creating that fuzzy glow, or coma, you see around comets. We know it came from another star, from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. And the comet itself, the solid part, estimates put it somewhere between the size of a huge skyscraper and a small mountain. So it's a pretty hefty chunk of ice and rock.
All right, so let's follow this thing on its incredible cosmic road trip. Let's trace its path through our neck of the woods.
So its tour of our system is going to be a quick one. It'll zip past Mars around October of 2025, then swing around the sun a few weeks later for its moment of peak brightness. After that, it swings back out, and in March of 2026, it gets a final gravitational kick from the giant Jupiter, which will slingshot it back into the void forever. You know, this quote from NASA really puts it all in perspective. Just let that sink in. The sheer amount of time, the lonely, silent journey through that absolute emptiness between stars, all leading to this one brief, fleeting passage through our system.
So this is all incredibly cool, no doubt about it. But why does it matter? What can a messenger from another star actually tell us?
This is really the heart of it. This comet isn't just a rock, it's a priceless sample of another solar system delivered right to us. By studying the light coming off its gassy coma, we can basically read its chemical fingerprint. Is it made of the same stuff as our comets? Does it carry the building blocks of life? Answering these questions gives us a direct glimpse into how planets form around other stars.
I love this analogy. It's like being a paleontologist and having a perfectly preserved fossil from some undiscovered continent just show up on your doorstep. It's a direct physical link to a place we can never hope to visit.
And that leaves us with this one big, awe-inspiring thought. This is only the third one of these we've ever found. It makes you wonder, how many more are out there? How many of these cosmic messengers are silently drifting through our solar system right now, just waiting to be discovered?